Behind the design. First metatarsal cutout. This client needed a custom orthotic to facilitate sagittal plane function at the first MPJ. The patient showed signs of functional hallux limitus in a mildly pronated foot. The aim of this orthotic was to facilitate sagittal plane function, improve the windlass and propulsion with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the first metatarsal head cutout from the shell modifications section within digital corrections on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include the removal of the orthotic shell at or behind the first metatarsal head. The distance of the cutout is to scan or cast or as scripted. The shape of the cutout can be curved or straight or as scripted. Indications include to improve first MPJ function by plantarflexing the first ray, in functional hallux limitus, to improve the windlass mechanism, to improve propulsion, to promote high gear toe-off, to accommodate a rigid plantarflex first ray, in tissue stress pathologies including HAV, first metatarsal exostosis, first metatarsal cuneiform dorsal lipping, plantar fascia pathologies, lesser metatarsal head pathologies, and hyperkeratosis. Clinical tests and observations include using the JAX test to assess windlass functions, and gait signs including low gear toe-off, avoidance of high gear, impaired windlass, impaired gait timing events. Orthotip. A first metatarsal cutout can change shell stability with the removal of the anterior orthotic edge. A first metatarsal cutout is a permanent change to the orthotic shell. If unsure, consider using one of the alternative orthotic modifications that can be easily adjusted or removed. They include a forefoot extension with a first met cutout, a reverse Morton's extension, or a forefoot valgus extension.